Are you recording?
Yes.
Alright, super. So Ashley and I did an experiment the other day to see what could counteract delirium or the negative symptoms of taking the chlorpheniramine that you would find in the quercetin tablets. In this experiment, we both took one 5-hour energy. This 5-hour energy blend consists of 2.2 grams of taurine, caffeine, L-phenylalanine, N-acetyl-L-tyrosine, and glucuronolactone. And typically, I would assume caffeine is about 200 milligrams within that 5-hour energy blend. And Ashley only took 150 milligrams of diphenhydramine. I took as much as 375 milligrams of diphenhydramine. And before we took any of those diphenhydramine tablets, we took these turmeric capsules, which had a particular extract of turmeric, and the extract in total contained about 1,995 milligrams of curcuminoids within 21 turmeric capsules and 105 milligrams of piperine. So, because piperine increases curcumin absorption to such a significant extent, if you were to use 105 milligrams of piperine, that would increase the absorption rate to 10,500%. And I took 24 turmeric capsules, which was 2,280 milligrams of curcuminoids with 120 milligrams of piperine. So that would be a 12,000% increase in curcumin absorption, which has to do with UGT metabolism interacting with that particular form of metabolism that breaks down curcumin. Curcumin is very good for your kidneys, which is where the UGT metabolism takes place. Curcumin treats chronic kidney disease by stimulating endogenous intestinal alkaline phosphatase, which is the addition of phosphate within intestinal alkaline. And this prevents kidney inflammation as well as gut permeability, which is also known as leaky gut syndrome. Now, Ashley only took 150 milligrams of diphenhydramine, but I took 375 milligrams of diphenhydramine before taking that whole entire box of quercetin tablets. And the cotton mouth that I got lasted for about 8 hours, and Ashley got no cotton mouth whatsoever, and within a 4-hour period, I was not conscious. I was...
You were awake, but you weren't aware.
Yeah, exactly. I was awake, but not as aware as I normally would be. But that usually lasts a lot longer after taking however many quercetin tablets that put me into that state. And this cotton mouth was not as severe as it was in other instances. You see, what curcumin and piperine are able to do to counteract the toxicity of deliriants, such as diphenhydramine, is by inhibiting this enzyme activity called acetylcholinesterase, which is the hydrolysis of acetylcholine. And L-phenylalanine within the 5-hour energy blend is able to inhibit this enzyme, as well as piperine, and I suspect curcumin as well is able to, because I know piperine is able to prevent the cotton mouth induced by diphenhydramine. And it also helps to stimulate the release of acetylcholine, which caffeine does a very effective job of doing, which is what it does to create the stimulation that you get from taking caffeine. Anyway, this is experiment number 2, a very interesting experiment at that, and like I was telling you earlier, curcumin helps improve your kidneys function better, and because of that, it means the UGT metabolism works more effectively. See, UGT metabolism takes place in the kidneys. Glucuronic acid breaks down metabolites or substances into glucuronides, which get excreted into the urine. And if you want the drawn out term of UGT metabolism, that's uridine diphosphate glucuronyl transferase. That's all I have for right now. This is